Hey everyone, it's Jay Haskamp with Frontier Precision. I thought it'd be cool to do a quick video showing all the things we have in store for our 2021 Techxpo Virtual User Conference. Been pretty busy getting everything put together and have officially just added a fourth track of presentations over the course of the 3 days. So that'd be cool to give a little preview of some of the awesome sessions that we have planned. We're kicking the conference off with the keynote presentation from Senior Vice President of Trimble Geospatial, Ron Bizio, as well as our very own President and CEO, Dennis Kemisat. Then we're going to dive right into 3 days of presentations covering things like survey, scanning and LiDAR, UAS, MGIS, build construction, water resources, ROVs and pipe crawlers, mosquito control, invasive weeds, and so on. So sessions are going to be conducted by Frontier Precision staff and various manufacturers, software developers, and partners whose products we all use every day. And we'll also have several Ask the Expert panels for you to interact directly and ask questions. Our virtual exhibit hall will have over 30 booths for you to check out and network with and speak to all sorts of professionals in all the industries I just listed. And you can find more information and register on our conference website at www.frontiertechxpo.com. Still plenty of time to register and get the early bird rate. Registrants will also get access to all the sessions and information for 30 days after the conference is over. So if you can't make a session live, no big deal. You can always log in and watch it at your convenience. I'd also like to give a huge thank you to our silver, our gold, and our platinum sponsors. We're really excited and we're looking forward to seeing you all there.